Hi, in this lecture I'll show you how to calculate bond price in Microsoft Excel. Here is an example. Movie Maker's bonds have 10 years remaining to maturity, that is time to maturity is 10 years. Then interest is paid annually, so this is an annual coupon payment, that is coupon payments during the year is only one coupon payment. Then the bonds have a $1,000 par value, or your face value or par value is $1,000. Then the coupon interest rate is 7.5%, that is 0.075% is the annual coupon rate. Then the yield to maturity is 5.5%. So yield to maturity is 5.5%. So using this you need to calculate the bond price. So first we calculate the coupon amount. So your coupon amount equals to face value times coupon rate upon number of payments in a year. So this equals to your face value or par value is $1,000 times the coupon rate upon number of coupon payments. So there is only one coupon payment. This will help you when you have a semi-annual coupon payment or multiple coupon payments. So that simply if you add a coupon payments here, that will calculate accordingly the coupon amount. So but here in our case this is only annual coupon payment, only one payment. Now your coupon amount is $75. So for the next 10 years you get this series of payments of $10. Now on this, as you know that first we need to calculate the present value interest factor of annuity, because this $75 that you are receiving you will receive for 10 years. So to get present value interest factor, use the Excel function equal to PV, that is a present value, rate. Here the rate is discount rate, that is your yield to maturity. Select the discount rate, place a comma, then number of periods, that is the time to maturity. So here you have time to maturity is 10 years. Select this one, place a comma. So and here for payment enter -1, that is we are making a calculation for present value of $1. So just we are taking an input of a $1. Close the bracket, press enter key. So you have a 7.54. So the next, calculate present value interest factor. Here use the same, that is equal to PV function, then rate is your discount rate, that is yield to maturity. Select this one, then place a comma, the number of periods, that is time to maturity 10. Select this one, place a comma. Here we use present value interest factor to evaluate the present value of a face value which you are receiving on the maturity. So this is a single cash flow. That's the reason why we exclude a PMT by placing another comma. And future value is -1. That is what is the value of $1 today which you are going to receive after 10 years. So press enter. Now you have a dollar. We'll convert this into number format, and now you have a present value interest factor. So to get your bond price is coupon amount times present value interest factor annuity, this plus face value times present value interest factor, and press enter key. So this, the current price of this bond is $1,150.8 cents. Only thing is you need to be familiar with calculating the present value interest factor of annuity and present value interest factor. Now for series of payments we use present value interest factor annuity, whereas for a lump sum amount we use present value interest factor. Thank you.